bloodstream if you can. Biggie Smalls, the pussy stroker, MC provoker, chocolate tie smoker, huh? I like to max and Maximas and Acuras. Your girl butt cheeks I'm smacking, huh? The raw rapper, spine snapper, with the little hookers on my lapper. You know the flavor matter. A shy nigga, but I ain't your fucking comforter. And if I ever fall in love, I bet I'm fucking her. Ask the hooker if I didn't chook her. If she try to front, then I drop the Chucky Booker on her. Why you wanna play your games on me? Bitch, you're crazy. Commitments, I'm Swayze. No time for the ill shit. Rest with the niggas on that real blood spill shit. My rapping tactics are drastic, stretching motherfuckers like Mr. Fantastic. So if you wanna see my pedigree, you better be filled with energy. Niggas never getting me. So let me get down, let me get down, let me get down, let me get down.
Let me get down, let me get down, let me get down, let me get down. Let me get down, let me get down, let me get down, let me get down. Let me get down, let me get down, let me get down, let me get down.
Yo, RG even said shoot. Asked me the reason, and I said loot. Man, that's all I'm here for. Therefore, when depth declares war, you know what to prepare for. Shit, run for shelter, book flights in Delta. Live on your station, the radiation to melt you. Cool. I guess your mama raised a fool. You didn't want to blaze your tools, should've stayed in school. Rap terror, shots through your new era. Get it together, y'all niggas should've knew better. I'm on point like acupuncture. I might track and hunt you, smack and punch you. Left side, right side, with your hoe I might slide. Running with this big guy, y'all niggas is pint size. Don't make a nigga have to show you the pound and show you the sound. That'll put you low.